Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Kabeja on Monday, you did this to me. Vyoga learns a shocking truth that leaves a heartbroken Simkita continue to play games, but Msimele refuses to see and accept the truth about their relationship. On Tuesday, hard truth, Simkita cuts Msimele down to size with her sharp tongue. Vuyokazi's extreme measures to rid Lulama of her addiction lands her in deep trouble. On Wednesday, a cry for help. Vuyokazi believed that the devil has Lulama in his clutches. Simkita reels after Ndanda threatens her with a restraining order. Msimelele's midlife crisis is starting to go awry. On Thursday, Vuyokazi's guilt. Vuyokazi seeks all the help she can get for Lulama. Simkit is starting to be repulsed by Msimelele's presence, while Msimelele is starting to have rejects about his decision to choose her over his family. On Friday, drumstick. Msimelele's world crumbles while Funega's world blossoms with all things beautiful. Vyogazi finally finds a solution she believes will help Lulama once and for all. On the second week, on Monday, healing. Lulama is remorseful for the first time after being subjected to images of a dark past. Simkita is fighting a losing battle but won't throw a towel. On Tuesday, umtholo wami uyangisinda. Lulama is haunted by the ghost of the people she has had. Simkita kicks Msimelelo out. Vuyokazi arrives just in time before Lulama could take her own life. On Wednesday, dynamics of marriage and Msimelele's return home will not be a walk in the park. Lulama and her loved ones realize that a big change will be required for her to beat addiction. On Thursday, family blues, Tulani and Nobomi are done being dictated to about what's theirs. Consequences chase Msimelelo. On Friday, flaws and all, Vuyokazi watches in a horror as Stoke plans to bring down Hlumelo, compromising the deal she has with him. Msimelelo is reminded of what this family means to him. On the third week, on Monday, loyalty matters. Zimkita is stunned as Hlumelo asks if she can be trusted. Ntando finds himself still interested in the old flame. On Tuesday, the business date, Inobomi and Tulani find themselves stuck alone in the desert when everyone refuses to help them. Ntando's dude turns out for the worst. Hlumelo's plan darkened by the minute. On Wednesday, turning setbacks, Tulani chooses to play things close to the vest this time around. Msimelelo shares with Ntando how to win your girl back when you have mistreated her. Simkita hopes taking Hlumelo will change how Ntando sees her. On Thursday, broken pieces, Simkita retrieves sensitive and damning information from Hlumelo's phone and shows it to Lani and Nobomi. Ntando is determined to get Norma Flower back, even if it means embarrassing himself. On Friday, the chicken have come home to roost. Simkita is haunted by ghosts from her past. Matilda convinces Norma Flower to give Ntando a chance to help them grow their business. On the fourth week, on Monday, confessions. Tulani wants nothing to do with Simkita after she unburdens herself to him. Ntando's business meeting ends in joy. On Thursday, all from grace. A fall from grace. Chaos erupts as the event reaches its peak, leaving Hlumelo stunned and betrayed as this world begins to unravel. Things take an unexpected turn between Ntando and Norma Flower. On Wednesday, betrayed by blood, the chickens have come home to roost for Hlumelo and Nozuko, and it's not looking good. Ntando and Norma Flower make plans for their future. On Thursday, busted bubble. In the heir and the heiress take charge of what is rightfully theirs. Shumelo and Nozuko fail to find a way to get themselves out of hell. On Friday, yours, mine, and ours. Shumelo interrupts Tulani and Nobumi's return to the hotel celebration. Ntando and Norma Flower kiss and make up. Nozuko is convinced Zimkita is Tulani's inside man. On the week fifth week on Monday, mistrusts the failed reconciliation and homecoming. Nezuko tries to reconnect with his son while Lumelo starts to distrust Zimkita. Stoki's family home welcomes a family member on Tuesday chained. Lumelo tricks Zimkita and steals a valuable of his. Ntando agrees to meet up with his life giver, but things don't go as planned. Thank you guys for watching.